Yo, what's up guys, this is Hayes. Today we are going to be doing a cooking video and I'm joined with my sister Raya, come up, and my sister Louise.
Hi.
And we are going to do some made up recipe I made up. It's going to take about 5 minutes. It's so good, it tastes so nice.
Nutella.
Yeah?
And bread. And some eggs. Some eggs.
So, I also do recommend to have a chopping board, a bread knife, and a plate. But you know, I will be careful with this. Yes, I am 13, but you know,
Yeah.
I'm a responsible person. I'm not going to miss anything. So, and you are going to need some bread. I'm using 5 pieces of bread because I live with 5 people, including myself. So, I'm going to cut some bread. And after you have done that, you want to put chocolate sauce on your bread. Now you want to fold the bread. Doesn't have to be me, just fold it.
The crackly egg.
Nice.
I guess I'm gonna take it.
Now you're gonna want to whisk the egg. Now you want to dip this into the egg. Then you want to put it in the pan.
No.
Right. And now after about a minute, you're going to want to flip all of them over. Right now, you're going to want to take on a plate. Oh baby, that looks nice.
Yum.
Okay. My ends.
Need help?
Ladies, can you help her please? No,
Good, you can have more.
more than that, yeah. Oh, perfect. And boom, we're done. After you've done that, it's ready to eat. That's so good. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed.
And we have a good job.
Bye, guys.
Ay, ay, ay. I like bitch, you was your mess. Ay, can't keep my dick in my pants. Ay, my bitch don't love me no more.